At 5, Senator Dick Durbin is calling out Republicans for their latest attempt to win votes to repeal the Affordable Care Act. The latest revisions to the GOP's Graham Cassidy plan sweeten the pot for states where key senators remain undecided. Eyewitness News political reporter Craig Wall joining us now. And Craig, we've got a vote expected on this week.
Yeah, Senator Durbin says a vote could come as soon as tomorrow. Republicans have to make it happen before the end of the month in order to pass their new bill with a simple majority. After that, they need 60 votes to repeal Obamacare. But as of now, the Republican version seems very much in jeopardy.
This week, the future of health care in Illinois and across the United States will be decided by 1 or 2 votes.
And because of that, so many people in the healthcare industry and those dependent on Medicaid are watching what's happening in Washington. At a hearing this morning, things got out of hand and some demonstrators had to be cuffed and removed by police.
The two of us together?
Larry Mallon of Aurora is very concerned about cuts to Medicaid. Judy, his wife of 52 years, suffers from Alzheimer's and requires 24/7 care at a facility that is paid for by Medicaid.
This is not a financial type of situation. This is life. It's the only thing that we have to fall back on to give her care during this critical time.
The Graham Cassidy bill would eliminate the Obamacare expansion of Medicaid. The Republican plan would provide block grants to states and shift the cost to them. It would also give states more freedom to charge higher premiums for older and seriously ill people and raise consumers' out-of-pocket expenses. Over the weekend, grants were increased for Alaska, Maine, Kentucky, Texas, and Arizona, where senators are reluctant to support the plan.
There's absolute uncertainty and a bidding war going on now to carve out these states and give them more federal money to win that necessary extra vote.
For people like Larry Mallon, there's a different uncertainty that hits close to the heart.
But what I do, we're here, and we're grateful for Medicaid, that we have a place for her to go, as I could not take care of her at home any longer. What would I do? I would have no other place to go if she's not taken care of for me.
Now, Republicans hold 52 seats in the Senate, so they can only afford to lose 2 votes and still pass their version. Vice President Mike Pence could then break a tie if it came to that. And we've got a couple of analysis that came in. Congressional Budget Office just telling us that they would reduce coverage for millions. And Alan, an analysis in from Standard & Poor's estimates that Graham Cassidy would cost 580,000 jobs and $240 billion in lost economic activity over the next 10 years. So a lot of criticism of this coming in.
All right, great.
We'll be watching. Thanks so much.